Have you ever wondered how honey is made? Imagine stepping inside some of the world's largest beekeeping farms, where billions of bees are tirelessly working to produce the sweet, golden drops of honey we love. From the buzzing of the bees to the shimmering jars of golden honey, this journey is not only fascinating, but also far more magical than you might think. Today, we'll explore this incredible process, where modern beekeeping techniques, production, harvesting, and processing come together seamlessly to deliver nature's sweetest gift. You might wonder, what does it take to run a successful beekeeping farm? The answer lies in scientific knowledge and dedication. Beekeeping is not just about managing hives. To ensure a healthy and thriving bee colony, beekeepers need a deep understanding of bee biology and behavior, a task that requires both skill and experience. The key to success is creating a healthy environment for the bee colony. This includes protecting them from diseases, pests, and environmental challenges. Beekeepers must regularly inspect the hives, assess the queen bee's health, and ensure there is enough nectar and pollen to support the colony's well-being. Protecting bee colonies not only helps maintain honey production, but also plays a crucial role in preserving the balance of the global ecosystem. The timing of honey harvesting is a critical decision for beekeepers. It depends on various factors such as the season, the types of flowers in bloom, and the activity level of the bee colony. Only when the bees have filled the honeycomb cells and the nectar has been transformed into thick, golden liquid does the perfect time arrive. This marks the beginning of a process that requires skill and a deep understanding of bee behavior. Harvesting honey is not just about opening the hive and taking the honey. The hive must be carefully opened to remove the honey-filled frames without disturbing the colony. Since bees are highly protective of their hive, beekeepers need skillful hands, calmness, and knowledge to ensure the process goes smoothly. Every drop of honey is not only the result of the bees' tireless work, but also the fruit of the farmer's dedication. The timing of honey harvesting is of utmost importance. If harvested too early, the honey may not be fully matured, and if harvested too late, the bees may begin consuming the honey for survival. At large beekeeping farms, the harvesting process is carried out in stages to minimize disruption to the bee colony. At the same time, farmers ensure that enough honey is left behind for the bees to survive through the winter. When the honey-filled frames are removed, they are taken to a processing facility where the honey is carefully extracted. Most commercial farms use centrifuges, devices that spin the honeycomb frames at high speed to separate the honey from the beeswax. Next, the honey is thoroughly filtered to remove any remaining wax, debris, or bee particles, ensuring a clean and smooth product. It then undergoes final processing stages, including sterilization and packaging, making it ready for consumers. Every drop of honey is the result of an extraordinary journey, from the hard work of the bees to the dedication of the beekeeper. While some farms produce raw honey, others implement processing techniques to extend its shelf life. Pasteurization is one such method, a process of heating honey to eliminate any unwanted bacteria or yeast. After processing, the honey is carefully packaged into jars and shipped worldwide, bringing sweetness to the tables of millions of families. Not only that, products like royal jelly, bee pollen, and propolis are also harvested for use in health and wellness products. From nutritional support to beauty care and environmental protection, these products highlight the diversity and value of beekeeping. Cherish every product from the hive. They are precious gifts from nature, crafted through the hard work of bees and the dedication of beekeepers. As the beekeeping industry continues to grow, sustainability has become a major concern. Beekeeping is no longer just about producing honey, it's also about protecting the health and survival of the bees themselves. The global decline in bee populations is a wake-up call. Beekeeping farms are playing a crucial role in reversing this trend, helping to maintain healthy bee colonies. Many farms have adopted more sustainable beekeeping practices, such as reducing pesticide use near hives, planting bee-friendly plants to provide a stable nectar source, and implementing organic farming techniques. These measures not only help protect bees, but also contribute to preserving the environment, ensuring a more sustainable future for both bees and humans. Protecting bees means protecting our own source of life. Let's work together to safeguard bees and the ecosystems we share. To tackle increasing challenges, beekeepers are experimenting with methods to breed healthier bees capable of resisting diseases and withstanding greater environmental pressures. By improving the genetic diversity of bee colonies, they not only enhance hive health, but also ensure that the bees are better equipped to adapt to harsh conditions. These innovative techniques, combining genetic science with modern technology, are bringing new hope to the beekeeping industry. They not only help farms overcome difficulties, but also thrive, safeguarding the vital role of bees in the global ecosystem. Let's explore these inspiring efforts, a testament to the dedication and ingenuity of beekeepers in their mission to protect bees and the future of our planet. world of beekeeping farms is more complex than we ever imagined. From caring for bee colonies to harvesting and producing honey, there's a tremendous amount of effort behind every drop of honey we enjoy. Sustainability, innovation, and protecting the health of bees are the core values of this industry, ensuring that our world remains full of life and color. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel to discover more inspiring stories about agriculture and nature. Which part of the beekeeping journey surprised you the most? Share your thoughts with us. And remember, every drop of honey is a testament to the wonders of nature and the hard work of both bees and humans.